Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on one word question answer. Dear students, this is our revision class. So let's start for our today's topic. The first question is, what do insects have on their head? Answer is feeler. Dear student, I am repeating again. What do insects have on their head? Answer feelers. Question number 2. How many legs do insects have? Answer 6. How many legs do insects have? Answer 6. Question number 3. What helps bird to fly? Answer wings. What helps bird to fly? Answer wings. The question number 4. How many sense organ do we have? Answer 5. Again, how many sense organs do we have? Answer 5. Question number 5 is, which part of our body helps us to feel and touch? Answer skin. Which part of our body helps us to feel and touch? Answer skin. Question number 6. What kind of clothes do we wear in hot? In hot or in summer? The answer, cotton clothes. What type of clothes do we wear in hot or in summer? Answer, cotton clothes. Question number 7. What kind of clothes do we wear in cold? That means in winter. Answer, woolen clothes. What kind of clothes do we wear in cold? That means in winter. Answer, woolen clothes. Question number 8. Which is used by fish for breathing? Answer, gills. Which is used by fish for breathing? Answer, gills. Question number 9. What helps the fishes to swim? Answer, tail and fins. What helps the fishes to swim? Answer, tail and fins. Question number 10. Where do we keep hens? Answer, in coops. And question number 11. Where do we keep dogs? In kennels. Where do we keep dogs? In kennels. Then question 12. When do we eat our dinner? Answer, at night. When do we eat our dinner? Answer, at night. Question number 13 is, what kind of food should we not eat much? Answer, snacks. What kind of food what kind of food should we not eat much? Answer, snacks. Question number 14. What is used for storing large amount of water? Answer, dam. What is used for storing large amount of water? Answer, dam. What is the condition of outside cold? Answer, weather. What is the condition of outside cold? Answer, weather. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood, and this is our revision class. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer and practice more and more all the exercises whatever we have done in the online classes. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.